Meaning of DNA fingerprinting.
DNA fingerprinting.
DNA fingerprinting.
DNA fingerprinting.
DNA fingerprinting. DNA fingerprinting, also known as DNA profiling, is a scientific technique used to identify individuals based on their unique genetic makeup. It involves comparing specific DNA fragments among individuals to determine if they share a common origin. This technique can be used in criminal investigations, paternity tests, and even to identify ancient human remains. The results of DNA fingerprinting are typically presented as a series of bands on an electrophoresis gel, with each band representing a fragment of DNA that has been amplified and compared to other individuals.